Want to track every mile you drive while working with DoorDash? In this video, I will guide you how you can track your mileage on DoorDash. First, you want to use an automatic mileage tracking app like Everlance, Slide, MileIQ, Hurdle, or RideWiz. These apps automatically detect when you start driving for work and log your route via GPS. Everlance offers IRS compliant reports and a Dasher account, while Stride is completely free for basic tracking. If you prefer paper logs or tracking the old-fashioned way, record your starting and ending odometer readings each shift. The IRS considers your first pickup and last drop-off as business miles. Trips to and from home and at the start or end of your day are considered commuting and not deductible. Make sure you document the date, mileage driven, business purpose, and pickup drop locations. If audited, these details prove your claim meet IRS publication 463 requirements. Finally, review your mileage app summary regularly and export the report before tax season. And that's it. That's all it takes to track DoorDash mileage. Like if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.